Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and our family are home gardeners. These are some geraniums that I brought in from outside in the fall, and they are about 4 or 5 years old. Once you have geraniums, you can really start your own, and you won't have to buy them in the future. To do this, I cut off the tender shoot that is at the top of the plant. This is one of them. Let me cut a few more and then I'll show you what I do. I take the tender shoots and place them in a container with water. I then place them on the windowsill, and in a few weeks they will get roots. Here are some geraniums that I already started that have roots. I'm going to now put them in pots. I put the soil in the pot and I already have it wet. Then just place the geranium in the pot and cover the roots. After that, put it in a sunny location and continue to water it regularly. By doing this, you can start your own geranium plants and you will never have to buy geraniums again. I hope you enjoyed this gardening video. Please like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to our channel so you do not miss future videos. Go to our website, needlepointers.com, the gardening section, for more gardening information and tutorials. To get to our gardening section, please click the iCard or the link in the description below.